This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make acorn hair in Roblox. Open Roblox Studio and create a new character or edit an existing one. Start by adding a basic sphere for the acorn cap and scale it to sit on the head. Use duplicate and mirror to make symmetrical pieces. Name parts clearly and group them into a model. Check the head position and prepare an attachment point for secure fitting. Model the acorn cap by starting with a sphere and flattening its bottom to create a half-cap shape. Add small ridges using thin wedges or scaled spheres to mimic the cap texture. Smooth edges with subtle scaling and use union or negate if your workflow supports them. Keep the mesh low poly for performance and preview the cap on the avatar head frequently to confirm shape and proportions feel right. Color and attach the acorn hair by choosing a darker brown for the cap and a lighter brown for the nut section. Place an attachment on the avatar head where you want the acorn to sit, then add a matching attachment inside the acorn model. Use a weld constraint or motor 6D to join them, adjusting C-frame offsets for perfect alignment. Test animations and idle poses to ensure the acorn stays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.